Hello, this is Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty, your luxury premier real estate company here in Costa Rica. Today, we're about to explore a northern part of Guanacaste. There's Playas del Coco, Playa Ocotal, and also Playa Hermosa. It's a wonderful spot to invest. There's many people that live here that are retired. There's families, there's a lot of gated communities, wonderful beaches, and a great town to explore. I can't wait to show you. Enjoy this beautiful property tour today. I hope you enjoyed the tour today about Coco, Hermosa, and Playa Ocotal. If you have any questions about this area or any other areas in Costa Rica, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. I'd love to talk to you. Pura vida!